Here are the materials you're going to need. A cylindrical can, white glue, and I'm also going to be using a paintbrush for control, push pins, scissors, scale, blue construction paper and A4 paper. You can use any color you like, glitter foam, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. So starting off, you're going to take your scissors and foam, and I'm going to show you how you're going to make the triangles. You can use a scale and pencil if you like, but I'm just going to go for freestyle. Cut it up like this. Cut it up like that. You can make any shape that you like, hearts, circles, squares. It doesn't have to be triangles. I'm going to show you another way that you can make them. First, you're going to take a rectangular piece and just cut it like that. And do the same thing on the other side like that. So you can just keep on repeating this and you can get easy triangles like this. Once you're done making the triangles, just put them aside. And now we're going to work on the cylindrical can. We're going to start off by putting our glue on top. And then stick the paper on very carefully. You do not want to burn yourself. Then wrap it around the can. So you reach the other end. And hot glue the other side like this. Again, be very careful while using the hot glue gun. Now using the scissors, we're going to cut off the excess that's lingering. And again, just glue the rest of it like that. Since the whole thing wasn't covered, using the A4 paper, I am going to make 2 strips for the top and for the bottom. Using the scale, I am just going to tear off a strip like that and just cut off the excess part. Now I'm just going to put glue on the top like that. And now I'm going to stick the strip on. We're going to do the same thing as we did for the blue paper. Once we're done with that, now moving along, we're going to take our push pins and just stick them in like that. Press it really hard, and then it'll go in after that. You're going to do the same thing for the other push pins as well. And do it the same thing all around. I'm going to put a push pin at the bottom as well, so that more bracelets can fit. You can even put push pins all around the can, if you want it to be a ring holder. Once you're done putting in the push pins, now you're going to stick the triangles. Just place them randomly all over. I used hot glue instead of white glue because it stayed on much better. This is the final look. And now we are going to move on to the second one. Here are the materials you will need for the second one. Cylindrical can, again I'm using pink color strips, push pins, hot glue gun, markers, and scissors. Let's get started. So again, the same thing, you're going to put the paper onto the cylindrical can and use scissors to cut off the excess. Once you're done with that, you're going to use the strips and put them on top, as well as the bottom. Now using the markers, we are going to make random dots all over. You can make hearts, triangles, squares, any other shape that you like. Now you're going to push the push pins into the can. And again, do it all around. Same thing as we did the last time. This is the final look for the second one. Comment down below what you thought of these ideas and whether you would try them or not. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.